You can see the moment the magic happens.
1, 2, 3.
So it's here, boom.
Watch the coin.
Rubber band goes right through the pencil.
What? How is that?
Watch, if I just grab it like this, I can actually stretch it. Oh! Oh!
Reach down inside. The bottle has refilled.
No way!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 simple magic tricks that you need to try. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go!
Check this out. I have a coin rubber banded around the glass. You can see it, Megan?
Yep.
Normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks real.
So check this out. I'm going to stretch the band out like this with the coin. Watch the coin. 1, 2, 3. Look, it goes right through.
Oh my gosh. How did you do that? How did it go through?
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here's everything you'll need to do this trick. You're going to need a normal rubber band, a drinking glass, and 2 duplicate coins. That is 2 coins that are exactly the same. The coin is concealed here in your hand. You're going to grip the top of the glass like this and hold it there until you want to drop it in at just the right moment. Now, once you've got this coin palmed in your hand, the other one is going to start out the trick on the side of the glass, rubber banded just like this. Now, it all comes down to timing. You want to pull this rubber band and the coin back. When you release it, you're going to retain the coin here in your fingers on this hand and let the rubber band slap the glass just like that. And at the exact same moment that it slaps the glass, you're going to let the coin that's palmed in your hand drop into the cup. And it should look like the coin just 1, 2, 3 goes right through the cup just like that. Now you're going to conceal this coin in the other hand as you drop it to your side, slip it into your pocket. All the attention should be on the coin in the glass. You can then hand everything out for examination to your audience. A single playing card, empty hand. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And it instantly changes into a can of Red Bull. Cheers. Here is the secret of the card to the can trick. So this really only works with skinny little cans like this, like energy drinks, that has to be thin enough to hide behind a playing card. Here's how you're gonna set this up. Start out by taking an energy drink can and gluing it onto a playing card. You're gonna need any random card from a deck, a hot glue gun. You're going to take the can and glue it to the back of the card. So put some hot glue on the back of the card. If you're a kid, you're obviously going to need a parent supervision with this part. And then we're just going to stick our can in place right there on the glue. And make sure that you have it centered so that when you view it from the front and hold it like this, the can is not visible to the viewer. Practice this in the mirror if you need to. So it's held like this at your fingers. The can is hidden here. You're going to bring this hand down and rotate to expose the can and conceal the card behind your palm. Now you're going to conceal that motion by bringing your hand in front to cover it just a little bit. So it's here, boom. I have a rubber band and a pencil. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and the rubber band goes right through the pencil just like that. But watch. 1, 2, 3, they magically separate just like so. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. So all you need to do this trick is a pencil and a rubber band. You're gonna hold them just like this. The pencil gripped between your thumb and forefingers and the rubber band stretched between your pinkies just like this. Now you're gonna take the forefinger of your right hand. You're going to stretch the rubber band over the pencil just like this and grip it in between your fingers like so. Hide the rubber band with our thumbs and our fingers. So this is the position you wanna be in to start the trick. All you have to do to make the rubber band appear as though it penetrates through the pencil is let go with these fingers right here. You can see the rubber band will pop into this position if you just let go like that. Now to make it look like it magically separates, all you have to do is let go of the other side and it looks like they pop apart just like that. So I have an empty bottle of Coke here, Megan, and a paper bag. So check this out. The bottle goes down inside the bag like this. I also have in my pocket a little bottle opener. I'm going to use it like a magic wand. I'm just going to tap the bottle. You can hear it still inside the bag. Yeah?
Yeah.
1,
Real.
2, 3. The magic's done. Look.
What?
Check this out. Reach down inside. The bottle has refilled. Just
No way.
Check this out. We open up the bottle.
Is it real? Oh my god.
Where'd it come from?
What?
The secret to this trick is twofold. You need two bottles. One is a normal Coke bottle that is full and sealed from the factory. This bottle starts out in the bag before the trick starts and the audience never sees it until you're ready to pull it out. The second bottle is not a normal Coke bottle. In fact, it's made of rubber. Now the reason that's important is because when we put it in the bag, we want to be able to crumple up the bag after we pull the real Coke bottle out. So as you saw in the performance, I took the empty Coke bottle that's actually made of rubber, I put it down inside the bag, and then I tapped the real bottle that's inside the bag with the bottle opener to sell that illusion that this bottle is made of real glass. Now all that's left to do is pull out the real bottle of Coke that looks like it is just magically refilled and resealed, open it up and hand it out to your audience. Once you've handed out the real Coke bottle to your audience for inspection, you're then going to casually crumple up the bag with the rubber Coke bottle inside and toss it away. Stay tuned for the very end of the video if you want to win the magic Coke bottle and the giveaway at the end of the show.
Okay, I have a pen and the dollar. Watch, the pen goes right through the dollar just like this. It goes right through Ben Franklin's face. You can see it on both sides just like that. Watch, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Look, check that out. Completely healed.
What?
Believe it or not, this trick can be done with any bill, even a borrowed bill. The trick is actually all in the pen. This is a fan favorite in our shop at EvanEraTV.com. It is a magic magnetic pen. There are tons of different tricks that you can do with this. Remove the cap from the other side and you can see there is a normal pen right here and then the magnetic side right here. So in order to create this effect of the pen going through the bill just like that, all we have to do is fold the bill up and we're going to rotate the magnetic part of the pen like this so that it sticks to the back of the bill. Then all we have to do is move it down like this and it looks like the pen is now stuck right through the bill. Your audience can clearly see the hole that the pen has made, and then you just pull the pen off like this, hand out the bill for examination, and then you're simply going to grab the magnetic piece off the pen as you uncap it just like this, and you can hand the pen out to examine as well. Stay tuned for the end of the episode if you want to win a magic pen from EvanEraTV.com. Watch the paperclip. See the paperclip, Megan?
Yeah.
All right, watch. If I just grab it like this, I can actually stretch it out and it kind of looks like it becomes a rubber band.
What?
See?
Oh my god.
This is a super easy trick that you can set up at home. All you need is a paper clip and a rubber band and a little bit of adhesive or tape to fix the paper clip to your thumbnail just like this. You're gonna cover the bottom so that it hides the tape like that when you present it to your audience. You wanna make sure your rubber band and paper clip are close to the same color and shape. Take the rubber band and clip it between your fingers just like this and conceal it in this hand. Start the trick by calling attention to the paper clip. You're gonna have your thumb bent down like this with the forefinger covering it. And then as you bring your hand over, you're simply going to extend your thumb out. And this cover of the hand over top is gonna allow you to just grab the rubber band. And it looks like the paper clip is somehow just transformed. So at full speed, you're holding the paper clip like this. You're going to bring the hand over and stretch that rubber band out, and it's just going to sell that illusion. This is the magic funnel. You can see there's nothing inside the funnel, right?
Yeah.
It's a normal funnel, metal funnel. So I also have a glass of water here. What's crazy is when I take a drink of water from the glass, check this out.
What? How is that? What?
Isn't that crazy? It's only when I take a drink though, look.
No way.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah. What are you? What in the world? How is that? How is that going from there to there? It's crazy. There's no water in there.
Cheers. As you might have guessed, this is not a normal funnel. This is a trick funnel that has a hollow wall. So there's a secret chamber hidden inside the walls of this funnel that you can actually fill with water. And the way you do that is by covering the bottom of the funnel right here, the little spout you're gonna cover with your finger. You're gonna hold it upright and then you're gonna pour water into the funnel like you normally would, but it's actually going to go into a secret chamber inside the funnel. So as we fill this up, you'll see the water level drop. The water starts to disappear from inside the funnel. It's actually draining into the walls of it. There's like a hole down here in the bottom, so the more water we put in this, the more it will start to fill up. And then that water can be stored inside the walls of the funnel indefinitely until you need it for your performance. Now all we're gonna do is put our finger on this hole right here in the top of the handle. You can see there's a tiny little hole right there. We're gonna cover that and it's gonna lock the water inside. So we remove our finger from the bottom and now you can see all that water has drained out of the middle of the funnel, but now we have all this water at our disposal inside the walls of the funnel. You can hear it if you listen closely. So now they can look at the funnel, they can inspect it, it looks normal, there's no water inside it. But whenever you want, all you have to do is just let pressure off that hole and water will somehow impossibly begin draining out of the funnel. And it's completely under your control. As soon as you let off of the handle, it begins to drain and it will stop as soon as you put your finger back on it. So you want to make that movement really subtle and not obvious, but it actually holds a lot of water. It will keep going for quite some time. If you want to win the magic funnel, stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm going to give it away to one lucky viewer. Watch, take the king and push it through the other two cards and you can see the moment the magic happens, look, it turns into the Queen of Hearts just like this. Watch. Here's everything you need to perform this magic trick at home. A cut half of a card just like this. You'll need whatever card you want it to turn into. You're going to hold that cut piece on the card just like so. And before the trick starts, we're going to construct this gimmick. We're going to take two cards, put a piece of double-sided tape here and here, right along these top edges. And do that on both sides. And stick the two cards together like this. You want to make sure you line up the edges just perfectly. And squeeze. So now we have two cards here that look normal. This one is our gimmicked card that has a secret little pocket right here in between these two cards. And now we're going to take the cut piece on the playing card and we're going to slide the whole thing in between our secret pocket right here in between the two cards that we just taped together like this. So that whole thing is sandwiched in there like that. The other card is going to go just like this. So now it looks like you have the king sandwiched between two cards. As you push the card through, it looks like it is just instantly changing into the other card. You can pull this back out and you have this really nice illusion of the card just looking like it is magically changing as it passes through the other two cards. And then as you push this in, the whole thing is going to pass through, except that cut piece will be left inside, sandwiched between these two cards. If I open this up, you can see that cut piece is in there just like that. And it's really nice because you end super clean where you can show these cards like this, toss them onto the table, and all the heat is going to be on this card right here that they just saw magically morph in front of their eyes. Alright guys, that is it for this episode of How To Magic. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. Also hit that thumbs up button and help out the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment down below if you want to win any of the magic tricks that you saw in this episode. I'm giving away all the magic to lucky comments in the comments section, and it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to everyone who won. If you won, be sure to send your information to the email address in the link below. Be sure to check out our online magic shop at EvanEraTV.com. The link for that is in the description. Dozens of different easy magic tricks that anyone can do. You can get the magic pen through dollar that you saw in this video. Again, the link for that is in the description at EvanEraTV.com. That's EvanEraTV.com. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and until next time, thank you for watching. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.